Today we're going to be installing this bullet point mounting system in the 23 Frontier Pro4X. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited for it. So more install videos coming. I just ordered a Tua Pro mid-height bed rack. That's going to be pretty sweet, and eventually I'm going to get a rooftop tent. Not sure which one yet. If anybody has any recommendations, that would be cool. Let me know if y'all got any cool ones that y'all know about. But also ordered some other stuff that I'm going to be putting in and making some videos on soon. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Hopefully be able to get those edited and uploaded pretty quick. But yeah, let's get right into this install. Okay, so for this next part, you take the piece that you just took out of the truck and you take this bottom piece, and this bottom piece is going to go over it, and you can see that these two holes line up with these two holes, right? But then you notice that there's holes here that there aren't holes on the bottom bracket. So what you're going to need to do, they give you a drill bit. So you use the drill bit that they gave you. It's the right size. You line up these holes. I'm gonna try to line them up. I'm not sure if you got that right angle to where you can see, but I'm gonna try to line them up as best as I can and see if I can hold it there. Then I'm gonna take one of these bolts because they're kind of sharp, and I'm gonna make a little mark. Make sure I'm still lined up. Okay, I've got my mark made there. And I'm trying to put it dead center. I think you have some room for forgiveness here. It's not the end of the world if you don't get it perfect. Let's see there, I can see my spots. Well, yeah. You know, you try to have a 90-degree angle when you're going in. You want a straight hole. So that's pretty clean. Looks good enough. Let's see, when we line everything up, yeah, looks pretty good. That worked out. So when this snaps back in the truck and you screw this together, that's how it holds it in. So that part's done. On to the next part. Okay, so in one of these baggies, there's some hardware. You only need 2, so it looks like they gave me a spare. Give everybody a spare. So the holes that you just drilled, you're gonna use these to secure the plastic bracket to this. I guess this is aluminum bracket. You wanna have your washer on the top. And these are actually locking nuts. So you can see on one side it's just metal, one side you have like some kind of Teflon plastic material. You want that facing out. I know this is stuff y'all probably already know, but I like to go into detail. I prefer to be taught as if I don't know anything, because you never know if you can learn something new. And a lot of times I do. You never know everything. So now I'm just gonna, oh look, they actually gave you a little wrench. That's convenient. I was about to go get a socket, but they give you a little wrench here. So we can hold that. Use their little provided screwdriver. And like anything else when you're lining something up, I don't tighten up one side all the way, because you could put it kind of in a bind. This is a little goofy, but yeah, it's kind of silly here. So I'm gonna snug up one side and then go back. Snug up the other one just a little more. And this is plastic, so obviously you don't want to over tighten it. All right, now we're gonna go put it back in. So this is how I have mine set up. Got the GoPro, phone, light switch box. You know, of course it's best to go ahead and set this up before you put it on that and before you put it in the truck. It's easier just do it here. I might move it around once I put it in the truck. Not sure how it's gonna look where it's positioned, but that's what I got. You've got this connected together now with the holes that you drilled. Then you want to line up those little spots, snap that in, and then these bolts that come with the kit are a little bit longer than the factory ones, so accommodates for the extra height you got there. Oops. That doesn't look straight. Doesn't seem right. I guess that's right. That's weird, man. It like went in diagonal and then just straightens out at the end. That is strange. I'm not going to tighten that too much. Probably good to use this screwdriver because it keeps you from putting too much force on things. A lot of this stuff, you know, it's just plastic. Not too tight. So I go across here diagonally. Make sure I can line it up. Might have to do this one. Just to get it started. Yep, these are magnetic, so the screwdriver is. That's cool. Props to Bullet Point. I think it's because I got all this weight hanging off. Doesn't want to line up. You can buy a bunch of different lengths and all kinds of different attachments. When you go on the website and look, you'll see this is a really modular system. There's 6 screws here. Stays pretty good. Well, there you have it. All done. Looks good. Pretty solid.